Welcome to all. This session I am going to take is how to modify the tools. So you remember that in Marquee tool, this is the rectangular Marquee tool. We use some of the selection method. This is rectangular selection. This button you can add selection. Select this button you can remove the selection. Selection this button only this area it will be selected. So the same thing you can do with this is selection plus shift you can selection this plus shift you can add the selection. Alt you can or option you can subtract the selection. Alt and shift you can intersect the selection. And this is already we learned in which one in market tool. The same thing is available in text tool. What tool? Sorry, shape tool. This is the shape tool. When you press shift you can see the plus button is enabled. Can you see that? Okay, this warning message is coming. So it is new. It's added to the shapes. Suppose I am not press shift. You think that another layer is created. See on the layer panel, another layer is created. I am deleting that, but I am pressing shift. What is happening? This is adding to this layer. So this is called for add layer. Then I am pressing alt. I want to subtract something from here. I am subtracted. Shift and alt. What I am doing, I'm doing, sorry, shift and alt, I am intersecting the layer. So see, this is a new shape layer. So most of the properties are available, but not all, most of the properties are available here. There is an option here. You can see that in this, all these options are available. New layer, combine layer, subtract from shape, intersect from shape, exclude from shape. So all these options also here. So here you can see one more thing is called for merge shape components. So the operation will turn shape into a regular path and you can continue. What is meant by regular path? I will explain now. See, you don't have any other features like this. See, when I am shape drawer, I am drawing. So you are getting a lot of options here. But these options are not available once you converted to that option. See, only you can feather and other things are only available, and this is a shape. So this is a one important thing is here. Okay, now I think it's clear. I'm draw again. So this is a shape. Control shift only you can add, and alt you can subtract, and alt and this one you can able to create the intersect. Oh, now this is a layer. Now if you want you can convert this as a merge shape components. You can then you will get a shape component, but all the other shape properties are missed. So this is one. Now you think that I draw a layer, I draw a shape layer. Now what I am going to do, I am changing, clicking outside, I am selecting this, I am changing to some other color, red. Then I am drawing it. Now red layer, you can red. Now what I am going to do, I am merging these two layers. So one important thing is happened here. After the merging, the below layer, see, control is set, the below layer is merged to below path, his color is converted to upper layer. So okay, well, I'll tell you what is the reason. So I'm removing this. Not this is big, I am drawing a small, no, I'm drawing a small layer. Now again I am merging. So what is happening? The upper layer color will be merged to the below layer. Now I am switching this layer, going up and down. Now I am doing controlling. So now it is also a merging layer. Okay, now I got direct selection tool. You already learned in path tool. I'm going to convert this. So now here you see that the same effect is happening here. So one irregular shape here also it is converting like this. So what it is happened here when I draw, when I select this property, but it is merge shape component. Now it is a different shape component. So I think that you are clear about what are things I talked. I talked about merge layer, combine layer, subtract layer, intersect layer, exclude layer, and merge shape component. Then Control E, merging two layers, then edit the layers. So here also, if you want a separate type of component, again you can select the direct selection tool. In path, you can create your own shapes from the shapes. You must have seen this type of designs. If you want to add some anchor points, you can add it. Because my camera is covering here, that's why I'm selecting this. You can add here. Again, you can select direct selection tool. You can move it. Again, you can use Alt. You can use here also. You need to select this convert tool. You can create some irregular shapes. So I have concluded everything. So you can merge the layers, you can create irregular shapes, you can create the components, you can create a one, you can easily create a merge the shapes, you can do that. You can two layer, you can merge it, the foreground color will come on the below object also. Thank you for watching. Please practice this.